Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about top 5 factors that you need to consider before choosing a domain registrar. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Let's say that your website is a home on internet. So your website address, the domain would be the address for your home, which you can share with the people so that they can visit your home. That is your website. And we need to choose the websites, like we need to choose a domain that is relevant to our website. And also, these domain registrars are like a landlord, like they provide you with the domain. You need to pay them back. So it's that you need to choose the domain registrars which will be providing you the features that are more suitable for your own business or the website that represents your business. First things, you need to determine that your domain registrar is ICANN accredited, so that this one makes sure that all your domains are unique and people are able to get your websites through the domains. Accredited domain registrars are trustworthy, reliable, and financially stable. So you can just get the list of what all these accredited domain registers are from the link that is mentioned in the description. Now let's get into the factors that we are going to discuss before choosing a domain registrar. The first one is price. So for a particular domain, one particular domain registrar would give us a less price compared to the other one. But the other factors that you need to check are something like security or customer service, customer support. So there can be a low price at the cost of poor customer support, which would be a drawback for your website, like which cannot be for your website or for your business. There can be a need of good customer support. So just check all these things and then choose accordingly. Factor, that is customer support. Then choose the customer support which, like, just know which mode of customer support is available for you, like be it a phone or chat or mail. And also know that when is the time that the customer support is available for you. And also just check that, like, if there are any premium customer supports in them which you need to pay for. Third factor is domain management tools. So this will be including in handling of domain forwarding, domain locking, or DNS. So you just need to choose a domain registrar which provides you with the user friendly interface and also the better settings for your domain. The fourth factor is security. So check for the things like two factor authentication and domain locking so that you can protect your website from hacking. And then the fifth factor is domain transfer policy. So this is when you want to shift your domain from one domain registrar to another one for your hosting plans and anything. So in such cases, choose the one which is having the smooth process, like which wouldn't include any charges, extra charges for transferring your domain. So choose such domain registrar. These are the top 5 factors that you need to consider before choosing a domain registrar. There can be other factors also based upon your business website and all, like you might want the marketing tools or a website builder or web hosting and all. So these can be the secondary factors depending upon your requirements. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.